How to delete all archive stories on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now make sure you're logged into your account. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, scroll down and see the option of archive. So just tap on archive, and as you tap on archive, here you can see the option of stories archive. So here you can see all the stories that you have archived. So you can just select each and every option over here, all the stories, and then tap on the more section at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. Then tap on delete and tap on delete again, and there you go. But you cannot delete all the archive stories at once, but you have to go to each individual stories and delete it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.